I salute my country people. I salute all una they watch me. I salute all una they always take time for like and share video them for the our platform. Una know say I dey always talk now. Sabi Ekuna man. I go for Ekuna for coffee quarter for Apostolic Church, and I be 2,000,000% anglophone. And anything they touch una, they touch me. Anything they touch any person. When a human being, it touch me because I be a human being and I know if situation happen, I know be compassionate about that. And I live am small grandma they enter there all one time. I do want to show grandma enter for the thing, so no beg worry now because I don't shoot up for prayer where people they talk grandma printing and they think don't enter for my head group so. No be say I know so grandma say we grandma I know. Some information they were battle. Now they call it a Dubai porta porty. Dubai porta porty na witi. Now prostitution where our girls they do them, especially those who they do for social media where they call them say influencers them. Where they influence speaking them, where they be very popular for social media. When I don't see that video where come up from Nigeria where that Nigerian influencer or popular social media person, girl, go for Dubai, eat the chop shit. That means say some man the shit for him up, eat the chop because of money. Now sex party. So people they call us say inhuman and which way it pass natural sex. That means say na Sodom and Gomorrah. Now they call us say Dubai porta porty. And for the Dubai porta porty, they explain for we say now rich politicians them for African countries. For other continents, when they enter Dubai, they rent buildings, they go for inside hotel. Because when I don't say Dubai, then for United Arab Emirates. And United Arab Emirates, now Arab, how the word indicate, and then a Muslim country. So some of these things, it not be possible, say maybe keep us today with Muslim. Then bet, no, una don't forget, say all will be human beings. So anything be possible with any human being. So they think they pass the way they pass. And then these girls, they go for Dubai. Go, they do them anal, they do them normal, they do them peace for mob, they do them shit for mob. Yes. Nati the past, so young girls where they do for social media now wanna be very careful for the kind of example one I don't want to emulate. Because people they do for social media wanna they try for one copy them where they know what the salt. Una live una real life. Social media and social media and artificial lifestyle. Because just ask yourself, say this auntie, this sister, where it always travel go Dubai, no na for go buy clothes, no na for go make business, where it go buy things they can sell them for here. It go come back, it get fine motor, there they stay with fine house, but you need to see the activity, the way they do them like business, like any activity where if it be where if it give money, where if it bring in revenue. You have to be very careful. Very careful. Because people they know they gallivant for social media. They show off for social media. They are very clean. They are perfect. They are rich. They live in beautiful mansions. They have porch cars. They are always dressed in designers. They have designer bags. Una they look them for social media, una they say, oh, now my example, that one look like this person, I want look like this person. But I say for reality, una don't know what these people they do. Una don't know what they get they do. Una don't know what they really do. Where they just portray una that image for social media, how they did so they go Dubai, they go this side, come back. Some of them that team way they try to tell una, now what they try to tell una, so they do them. If you want to do that kind of lifestyle, no say that the team what you want to do. Let me say you want copy person where you don't know what the person they do. You see some person, they do the one. Hey, you want be like when I look the fingers them for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They no ever did the same. When I check them, they no ever did the same. So you know if it be that person, where you don't know what that person do for be what he be. If you want to be that person, try for understand what that person they do for be what the person did for the show up for social media. Before you accept for yourself, so okay, me too, I want to do so. But not say you just follow them blindly, you don't know what to do, support them. Anytime some person want to criticize, you don't enter for the insult. blind support without knowing what these people really do, these ladies who are very influential on the social media. So you should be very careful. We should be very careful. Our children should be very careful. We should not just emulate any kind of example. We should not. We shouldn't do so. If you want copy, no, as I talk, say, okay, I copy because, and okay, wait till you do, I like it. But you get for go inside the intricacies, for know what is this person doing to be that rich, or to portray her riches on the social media. Wait to be job, wait to be business. If you never get all the necessary answers, please go school, normal life. You go come if you work hard, you get good relationship around you, people if you help you for go higher heights, you go rich. It better for get money for the normal procedure. So when you sweat before you get them, you enjoy them with peace of mind. Rather than when you get money, you really think say, hey, shit they put on my mom, that peace they will put on my mom. I will go this time now, so now my animals go suffer. Sodom and Gomorrah, you go suffer your skin, suffer your skin, suffer your skin. Social media, now social media. See what they happen on social media. Una live on social media. Una no begin copy. Example, una no know. I don't want to say one are bad or good because I don't want to be person the judge. But I say una get to know una self to see okay, na good example, na bad example. Explain the bad example I want copy and explain the good example I want copy because no universal logic no dey. You understand? Any person get your logic. But now, if you follow your logic, no say for your logic, if it lead you to this place, this other logic will lead you to this place. Which one you prefer? Which one you prefer? The one where you prefer, where they find for you, that's the best thing. But the only two I fit tell Nana say, or I fit tell young girls when they listen me, young girls when they follow people on social media, where they want to be like that, these ladies they be very influential on social media. Say when I take time for understand what they do. If you not get no visible answer for what they do, you be very very careful. Because if you let una for go enter something the way una not be one for enter. But if you don't study the person, you know what the person they do, you know how the person they come out for get money or he fame, and then you want to do the same thing. It's a mindset something, you understand? You have a mindset, so you fix the mindset and then you say, okay, I want to go left because I know the implications. But you should not go left without knowing the implications. This Dubai porty is real. And it is just coming to the limelight today because of social media. A lot of ladies were doing this before. Some are doing it and then they are hiding and then you are copying them and you will never know how they do to get their money. At the end of the day, they end up contracting some terrible emails. So, if you are ready for that, if you are not ready for that, go to school, have your certificates, look for a job, work, or you want to do business, do your business, have the necessary contacts, choose people who can help you go higher heights. It's very important. Rather than having 10 friends, unnecessary 10 friends, it is better for you to have an important friend. Very important. So when I get for take care for what you picking them, we for take care. I don't know how they used to give phone for small picking. People they give phone for small people internet. When they create a situation where when say when no go fit control them. Even for United States of America, of other continents, they control the way we picking they use social media. We will not get time for control. We don't go this, we don't do the one, we don't know what let picking themselves. Television they watch and we see wonderful videos where they put out on social media every now and then. Explain that the way that we want them we are picking they look like. That the way that we want them we are picking them be. That the example that we want give them for picking them. When we don't finish answer all these questions them, we go no say this. So some of these things them. Now we would push the picking them toward those things them. How come will you give a phone, an Android phone to a child, a kid of 9 years? A kid of 9 years, 10, sometimes 12. An Android phone. You can have a phone, you can have a cell phone without being an Android phone. No internet connection. And then control the way our kids watch television. Anytime I want ball, ask myself, I get time, I will do this, and that. And then it doesn't know about because we need for ball plenty. Now good market. Now so if we develop our continent, we need for bond plenty. If we get example for China, if we get example for India and other continents where they get population. But the thing that see the parents and too they get to be implicated inside the education for the beginning. It be very, very important because especially for the girl child from the very beginning and something they already on some parents they need to understand. for educate pikin na for younger age from 1 to 5 years. Na the age bracket that way you get for inculcate the values dem wey you want am for inside pikin. When you don pass that time, you know inculcate that value for pikin, the pikin no fit understand it easily. It go the hard way and it will be very, very, very difficult. So now the same thing way they go with our young girls. We should be very careful with the young girls. We should be very careful about what the girls copy. We should be careful about whatever thing they are doing. We should educate them. We should talk to them. We should constantly educate our children, especially the girl child. It's very important. Sorry, I don't get Instagram. This thing is so actually I want to share that for una this day. Thank you so very much. If you like I suggest say you press that red button. Let me see that will subscribe, and then that green button where you make us so now for like, and then that other button where you go so that for share. Una share ram, una download, una pass on through. It be very important. This message must go through. At the back una say una make the message go through. Thank you so very much for watch this video for our platform. Thank you so very much. God bless you. Bye bye.